this time for our science activity, we're going to talk about germs. So I know that before we left school, I was talking to my kids about how we need to wash and use soap and water and wash for a while. Some people sing the ABC song, some people count to 20, but whatever you do is so important that we wash with soap and water and get rid of and kill these bad germs that are going around. So we're going to do a science activity that has to do with germs. So one thing that I saw that made us think about, or could make us think about, germs and how soap helps us was an activity including water, pepper, and soap. So the first thing I do is we get a container. So this is my dish that I put some water in. And then the next thing you're going to need is you're going to take some pepper and you're going to sprinkle the pepper all over the water. When you sprinkle it, you want to make sure that it's really covering the water. Okay, that's good. Then, the next thing I want you to do is take your finger and stick it into the pepper with the water. And pull it up. So, if you can see, I have pepper all over my finger. And that's going to make us, it's going to stand for germs, right? And then what would happen if I touched my face? Then I would get germs on my face. What if I touched my friend? Then I would get germs on my friend, right? It's like if we sneeze in our hands, achoo! Then we have the germs, and anywhere we touch, we get the germs everywhere. So I want to show you, after I wipe off my germs, I want to show you kind of what soap does when we use soap to combat the germs. Okay, so the last time we saw our bowl with pepper, I stuck my finger in it and the germs stuck all over my finger. Now I'm going to use some dish soap. Let's see if we can show you that. And you can try some different kinds. If you try one kind and it doesn't work, maybe try another kind. I just sneezed from all the pepper. So I have soap all over my finger. Now watch very carefully. I'm going to stick my finger into the germs. Now what happened? Look at what happened. Talk to whoever's at your house about what happened. Do I have germs all over my finger? No. When I used the soap repelled the germs. It made the germs spread away from me. One of the really cool things that I learned about the virus that's going around now is that it has some kind of lining's on the inside. It has some kind of covering on the outside that if you wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap, that the soap breaks it down and then it can't make you sick. So that's an amazing thing. So you want to wash your hands, soap, water. Remember how we scrub like this? Front, back, in between, and then they say thumbs too. Okay? Alright, so you can try this at home and I will show you the list like I did last time so that you know what you need and when you need it. Okay, so the materials that you need are a dish, water, pepper, and dish soap. Okay, great job. So when you have all the information about what you need and how to do it, now you can go and do it at home. You can do it with someone in your house and talk about it as you go. And I hope you all are well and keep washing your hands.